Good evening, everyone. My name is Najibu Ali, an intern at Hammad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. Welcome to the 13th for Capacity Building Training for 1,000 Nigerian Civil Servants on ICT, which is organized by Hammad Technologies and Consultancy Limited. The 13 outlines recap on the 12, then shortcut keys, then Q&A, then we call it a day. Recap on the 12th. Yesterday, we talked about design menu by MS Word. We see how we can edit our text using themes, colors, and style. How we can improve our documents to be more attractive, to be ready to print it. We see how we can customize our documents. Then layout menu bar in Microsoft Word. We see how we can reset our paper to the A4 or to the letter or to the and we see how we can orientate our our paper to be landscape or to be portrait. Then we see how we can match our paper to be native or normal or any margin that we want to choose. Shortcut keys. We have A to Z shortcut keys. A to Z. Any one of them have chance on it. Any one of them have an importance to us to know it and to know how to use it, where we can use it. We have Control A. Control A, it means select all or highlight all. It means when you are typing inside your document, you want to customize all your document to change the font style, or font color. You can use Control A to highlight all your text to change the one of the that thing that I mentioned, font style or font color or anything that you want to change. You can use Control A to select all your text. Then we have Control B. Control B is stand for bold text. When you want to bold your text to be more thick, like a header or anything that have important, like you want to share information, you want to relocate, that's something that has more important. You can bold it like a name. You can bold somewhere. You can bold a name. Then you can bold a header. Your header. You can bold it to be more thick. Control B stands for bold text. Then we have Control C. Control C is stand for copy, like a double text. When you want to copy some text, you want to copy it to duplicate it, you can use Control C when you want to duplicate a text. Then Control D stands for font dialog box. With Control D, you can open your dialog box for the font. You want to centralize your font. You want to bold it. You want to you want to increase the size of your text or anything, any format that you want to text to be. You can use Control D to open your dialog box, font dialog box. Then Control E, centralize. text. When your text will be like a left alignment or right alignment, then you want to your text to be at the center of your page, like a header or anything that you want to centralize. You can highlight the text, then you click Control E. Your text will be in the center of your page. Then Control T and Control F, find. When you want to find something inside your document, like a you have you have Nigeria inside your document. You want to find Nigeria. How many times it show inside your document? You can use Control F to find Nigeria. How many times it shows inside your document? That is for Control F. Then Control G. Control G stands for go to. When you want to go to some section or page or any anything you want to you want to go to page, you have many pages inside your document. Like you have 100 or 1000 pages. It's more difficult to scroll through at that page that you want. You can use Control G. Then you can use Control G to to go to any page that you want or section. Then Control H, replace. Like you want to replace something, like you write you write employees. You want to replace employees. You want to replace enumerators with employees. You can use Control H to replace employees with enumerators. Like you have in your document, you have employees. You write employees. You want to replace employees with with the with the enumerators. You can use Control H, then you replace it with. Then Control I, it stands for italic. When you want to bend your text, you want to bend your text like a reference, project reference, you can use it to bend your text to be bent. You can highlight the any text that you want, then you click Control plus I. Your text will be in italic. Then Control J, it stands for justify. Sometimes when you open some document, you can see the text inside the document line, the lines is breaking. The end of the line is breaking. When you highlight the text, you want the end of the line to be arranged. You can use Control J. It will justify your text to be arranged. This is for Control J. Then Control K inside hyperlink. Hyperlink, like you have some information to send to someone inside your document. You can highlight some specific place to insert the link, like a some website to study or some email. You can use Control K. Then you copy the link, like a ChatGPT link or any link that you want. Then you paste it there. Then you click OK. It will show you. It will show you the link. When when Receiver open the document, the hyperlink it will show him is something that he needs to open. This is for control T. Then control A, left left alignment text. When you like your text is in center or right alignment, you want your text to be in left alignment. You highlight the text, then you click control plus, plus L. Okay. Then control L stands for new document. When you when you are writing something, you want to open inside your Microsoft Word, you want to open new document, you can use control N. The new document will open to you. Then control O stands for open file. Like you have many files, like existing file that you have already saved inside your inside your Microsoft Word. You want to open it, you can use control O. The existing files will open to you, then you open the file that you want to open. Then control P stands for print. When you write, you writing a document like a formal letter or proposal. You want to print it out. You want to have you want to you want to have a hard copy. You can use control P to print your document out. Then control Q stands for 1.15 line spacing. Like spacing between paragraph and paragraph, the space that you want to be, like paragraph to paragraph. You can highlight the text, then you click control Q. It will give you 1.15 line spacing between paragraph and paragraph. Then control R stands for right alignment. When you want your text to be in right hand side, like it is in left hand side or it is center, you want it to be in right alignment, you can use control R. Then control S. When you open your existing file, you change something inside, you change something inside, then you can use control S to save the change, to keep the change inside your document, change that you have. Then left indentation. Indentation, like you are writing like you are writing a letter, you want your text to be indent, you want your text to be indented, you can use control T. Then control U stands for underline. You want to underline your text like a header, you can use control U to underline your 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 text. Then control V. When you use control C to copy something inside your document, you want to paste it, you can use control P to paste it down, to paste it anywhere that you want. Then control W is stand for close. Like you want to close, to quit inside your Microsoft Word, you can use Control W to close your Microsoft Word. You can use it. Then Control X stands for cut. Cut is like you take the text from one place to another. You take it. Copy and cut have different. Copy is like a duplicate. Then cut is like you take the text from one place to another. Then Control Y is short for redo that action. Like you delete, you write a something, then you delete it, then you can use.
Yes, we can hear you right now, so you can continue.
We are talking about Control Y and Z bar. Control Control Y redo that action. Like you writing a text inside of a Microsoft Word, then you deleted the text. You want the text to be back, you can use Control Y. Then if you want the text to be deleted again, to you can use Control Z. That is the relationship between Control Y and Control Z. Control Y is start to redo that you don't do the thing. Then Control Z is stand for undo. All this I can see 70% of these shortcut keys. When you want to use them, you have to highlight the text, the place you want to use them. You have to highlight the text before you apply them. Not all of them. Some of them you have to highlight the text, the specific place you want to apply them. You have to highlight the place that you want to apply them. Okay, here we stop at today. We move to question and answer now. Hello, any question from me?
I think there is no question.
Okay, if you don't have question, you can call it a day.
The topic of today is very simple. That is why there is no one who ask question. Thank
Okay,
you very much.
okay, you have to be ready for your weekly assessment for tomorrow. You have to be ready
Okay.
for it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.